guys!
Guys!
This is Arella.
Nangima. Natanggal yung ngipin ko walang toothbrush.
Yan, habang nagtututbrush siya, natanggal na yung isang ipin niya sa itaas.
Chup-chup. I will put it back. I just put glue. This back.
Lalagyan daw niya ng glue. So, pero may lagayan niya ng yan. Her dentist gave it to her.
Lola Beng.
Ilagay niya ng
her friend dentist.
Ayan, ilagay niya ng teeth na nabubunot ay shaped like tooth. Di ba nice?
And it's her, the dentist is her friend, classmate before.
Yeah, si Dr. Peng. So, for today's kwentuhan, teka lang, gumagalaw yung ano ko.
Kumaba na buhok ko guys
For today's kwentuhan, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. What are the most amazing things about nature?
There's not one.
Sige, you answer me.
You already said that.
Oh, sige, you answer me now. I'm asking you and answer me now. What are the most amazing things about nature? What do you like about nature?
I can get food.
What?
I can get food.
Yeah, you can get food from the...
Yummy, 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 Tommy.
Not, where do we get food ba?
That is nature.
Like?
Banana tree.
From the plants, from the trees. Yes, that's true naman. Pero, parang, oo. Meron kasi ng... Well, actually, yes, trees are part of nature. But, you know, ginagawa na ng tao yung magtanim, di ba? Pero tama ka naman. Our food, some of our, most of our fruits and vegetables that we eat comes from nature. Okay, what else?
All I just know is food. All I want to
ang dami pang nature, the mountains, yes, and the ocean,
the
river.
Ocean is not a part of it.
Ocean is from nature.
No, it's not.
Ano ba? Pag sinabi mong nature, it's God's it's God's gift to us. Diba we were born, that nature is there. It's not hindi yun ginawa ng tao. Kaya pag sinabi mong nature, it's God-given gift.
Yeah.
It's all came from Him. Nice ka. Ano pa? Hindi ka nakakapag-isip eh.
I don't know.
What else?
I'm already thinking, but I cannot think. I cannot think more. I can only think of food.
Like sinabi ko about the ocean.
Fish!
What's good with the ocean? Yes, you're right. We can eat some...
Sabi ko lang fish. Tapos kakainin mo agad. Ano ba yan?
We can get fishes from the ocean and we can eat that. Tama ka naman. Kaya nga tayo nabubuhay dahil nga may mga pagkain na nanggagaling sa dagat.
Squid!
Yes, that's part.
Shark.
Yung ba? Yung shark's fin, yung kinakain natin na siomai na shark's fin. Ewan ko, I don't know if it's really came from shark, but not the whole shark.
Yeah, just the tail.
The fin.
They cut the fin.
I really don't know if that shark's fin came from the shark.
Yeah, I think it's just from I think it's from food store. I process food.
Ayan, pinaprocess ng mga tao, hinuhuli nila yung shark, and then gagawin nilang shark's fin na, yun nga, yung mga kinakain
Para
natin.
kung kinagat yung shark ng gun.
It will not happen naman because, di ba,
The shark,
meron naman silang process at meron silang proseso kung paano hinuhuli yung mga isda sa dagat. So, it will not happen naman. Okay. So,
can we
I
even eat
think
the starfish?
some of
Can
some
we eat
of
the
it,
starfish?
hindi kinakain ng starfish.
Kinakain ko yun siya.
Hindi niya na maisip kung ano pa yung
Alam ko na meron na.
maganda pa sa nature. Ano
Alam
po?
ko na meron.
Ano po?
Flowers.
Oh, what is the amazing about flowers?
They smell good.
Yes, you're right. There are flowers.
Beautiful, colorful.
Yeah.
Wala na flowers sa gray, black, white. May white flowers.
Yes, meron naman. Tama ka naman. There are flowers that smells good. Minsan nga yung mga cologne natin, mga pabango na ginagamit natin.
Alam ko, animals are from nature.
Some of it are floral
Animals are
scents.
from nature.
Yes.
Us are from nature. I don't see life.
Okay, that's all for tonight. At least may nasagot naman si Irela kahit pa paano. Thank you for watching our video. God bless us all. Bye!